We've got a 10-pound weight here, and probably going to regret this, but... Hello everyone, and thank you for watching the video. Today we're going to be installing a corner shelf in our home. Now this is by Shelf Master. There are no tools required to install this, and it only takes seconds to install it. So let's go ahead and get started. Shelf Master will hold up to 10 pounds. Here's some uses. Shelf Master has a locking mechanism where there's a button that you push, and when you do, these little nails, or maybe even like a little razor blade, it looks like, will come out of Shelf Master and support itself against the wall. So you'll need to have walls that are sheetrock or wood. I've got sheetrock over here, as you see. So just realize that you're going to be putting some very small holes into the wall, and when you remove Shelf Master, you will have some holes there, but that should be able to just caulk right over those holes. They should be very small, I'm thinking. So anyway, let's open the box and see what we've got. And I just noticed that there's 2 shelves in this value pack. Each shelf has 60 square inches of surface. All right, there they are, white. Probably spray paint over them, or brush paint over them if you want. If you didn't want the white, it is kind of a slick surface, I can tell. Plastic, but it's not so smooth, that you couldn't maybe it's already kind of roughed a little bit. So yeah, you could probably paint over this plastic here. Shouldn't be a problem. Here's that lever, or that little push button. And we've got a little warning label over it here, because here's where those blades are going to come out. All right, so let's kind of get an idea. So you want to be careful. How do we do this? Oh, okay, cool, okay. So yeah, you push this middle part of it in, and that will control the slide. So it's retracted right now, and to make those come out, let's get a better view. To make those come out, I'm just going to push forward towards me, and there they are. That's a nail, and the other 2 are razor blades. So be careful handling this. Pretty cool. All right, let's find the wall we want to use. So I found the corner that I want to use in my home. I've got a lot of clutter here with tape and markers, even scales. It's kind of a shipping area here. And I want to take some of that stuff and put it on these shelves. So I will definitely use one of them, maybe even both. I think the bottom one, or the first one we're going to put up, is going to be about right there. Okay, so we'll put some of that stuff on. That'll be perfect. I just need to make sure that it's level. I can kind of eyeball this and get away with it, but I do have a level somewhere, so I think I'll grab that and I'll get right back. Okay, I like that. We got our bubble in the middle, and we need to turn the level around and get our bubble in the middle right there. All right, so I think we're set. So I just need to push the button, and it should work. Let's see what happens. All right. One more time on the level. It's close enough. All right, here we go. We're not level. We're going to retract it. All right, we're level. Now you probably don't have to go to this this measure, no pun intended. All right, we're just going to make sure that's level here, right there. All right, here we go. One more time. One more time. Here we go. It really grabs. I can feel it. Beautiful. Nice. All right, there we are. Check it out. You can't even see the nail. Well, maybe you can. Yeah. All right, let's put some stuff on it. Okay, I think I'm going to regret this, but remember how they said that it will hold up to 10 pounds? It really doesn't feel like it'll hold 10 pounds to me, but we've got a 10-pound weight here, and probably going to regret this, but we're going to see if it will hold 10 pounds. Check it out. It holds up to 10 pounds like it says. All right, so I'm not going to put nearly that much weight on this. Probably just put something like, probably take these out and stack them up. Sort some markers on it. What else can we do? Put a bottle of Clorox bleach that's been sitting on the floor. All kinds of stuff. We can put an art light on. Yeah, we can put a little lamp on top of here, or a candle, or a plant. And here we are with the second shelf in place now, and that was the Shelf Master. This is the value pack where you get 2 shelves. I'll try to leave a link below if I can find this. I don't know if it's still available. There's a patent on it, so I don't know if there'll be any similar products like this. One thing also good about this is that you can reuse the shelves. As you saw, you can retract the little nail and the little razor blades that come out, and you can put it somewhere else. So really pretty neat idea. Happy with this. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.